Welcome to the Florence BobCAST, where I, your host, Gabriel Krenzke, am here to keep you in the loop about what's going on in the school district of Florence County. We are starting off Season 5 with Episode 1, November of 2024. As we get into our first topic, we would like to let you know what's new to the school. We would like to give a warm welcome to our new staff members, Mrs. Christy Larson, our new superintendent, who we later interviewed in this episode, Mr. Brian Wirch, who moved up from 5th grade and took the place of Mrs. Smith as the high school history teacher, Mrs. Kristen Burrell, who took the place of Mrs. Freeman as the middle and high school math teacher, Mr. Doug Burke, who is one of our new bus drivers and custodians, and Mrs. Amber Hoagland, our new food advisor. As we start our next topic, we would like to start it with middle and high school news and interviews. We would like to start off by bringing in Superintendent Mrs. Christy Larson to join us for our first interview of the season. She has come from Crystal Falls to take the place of Mr. Innes. Welcome, Mrs. Larson.
Thank you.
What has brought you to Florence?
Initially, I was drawn to Florence's strong commitment to providing high-quality education to its students. I was also impressed by the community's warmth and hospitality. I've attended many events over the years and businesses over the past 4 years, and I've always sensed a genuine passion for support for the Florence County School District.
What other districts have you taught in previously?
I taught health, science, PE, and worked with Title I students in Northern Illinois when I first began my career in education in the area of where I grew up. I did that for 4 years, and then I taught PE for 10 years and was the principal for 7 years and the superintendent for 5 years, all in Belmont, Wisconsin. And 4 years ago, we moved to the Northwoods, and I was the superintendent at Forest Park, just across the line in Crystal Falls, Michigan. And last spring, I accepted the position in Florence.
How has your experience been here so far?
My experience here so far has been great. I've had the opportunity to interact with a great staff, and I'm getting to know our students and community members. Everyone here has been positive and supportive, and I hope to extend the same to others moving forward.
What do you see in the future of our school?
I see a continued tradition of excellence. It is my hope that we can continue to provide a quality education with a wide variety of class offerings and experiences for many years to come.
How would you describe the students, staff, and admin at our school?
I think I would describe them all similarly. The students, staff, and admin take the time to get to know students and families by name. I love the small town atmosphere of a small school district. Although the school district encompasses the entire county, it's still a place where all faces are familiar, warm, and welcoming, and I love that.
We would also like to point out, as the year has gotten started, we are struggling to have bus drivers. We would really appreciate if you gave the idea of becoming a sub-driver or a driver for our extracurricular events. It would be a big help for our district. If you are interested in this position or have any questions, please contact Mr. David Gaston at gastond@myflorence.org. We would also like to add that the Florence Music Department is hosting their annual fruit sale fundraiser. This fundraiser is the biggest of the year for the department. If you are interested in purchasing fruit, meat, cheese, or nuts, find a local band or choir member or email Mr. Knox with any questions at knoxr@myflorence.org. The school is also proud to announce that the school referendum has passed this year for this year's election. If you would like to see any more results, visit the Florence County website at www.florencecountywi.com. are getting into our last topic, we would like to let you know what's upcoming in this district. We would like to start off with the high school band performing their Christmas concert on Monday, December 2nd. The elementary Christmas concert follows that Friday, December 6th, and the following day, Saturday, December 7th, is Christmas in Florence. The middle school Christmas concert will be on Monday, December 9th. We have our Girl Scouts will only meet once or twice a month, and 4-H will meet once a month for grades K through 2. If you would like to find more information, a full list of our events and athletic games and practices can be found at myflorence.org or the Florence County School District Facebook page. Well, that wraps it up for this episode of the Florence BobCAST. If you would like to find more information about events at the school, please visit our website, myflorence.org, or our Facebook page. Just search up Florence County School District. This episode was produced by Gabriel Krenzke and Mr. Robert Knox, and our theme music is Exclusion by me, Gabriel Krenzke. And this podcast has been a production of the Florence High School Music Department. Look for our next episode to air in about a month or two, and we hope that you can join us. Until then, thank you for joining in to the Florence BobCAST.